Hello guys and welcome back to In Between the Lines. So the book that I'll be talking about today is Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens. This book was suggested to me by one of our very own subscribers, Kinjal Shutadhar, so I hope you're watching. So now talking about the author, Delia Owens is actually a zoologist, and quite shockingly, Where the Crawdads Sing is her debut novel, which topped the New York Times bestseller for 2 consecutive years, which is 2019 and 20. And she wrote her debut novel at the age of 70, like 70. I mean, that's quite impressive. You can, pursue your passion for writing at any age. It's so inspiring. Now, why the crawdads sing? So apparently Delia's mother, encouraged her tomboyish daughter to go into the woods and listen to what the woods had to say. So maybe it is one of the reasons for her love towards nature, and this is also reflected in the book quite well. Okay, so now talking about the characters, the main lead of the book is Kaya. Now, Kaya is a very young girl. Kaya's story can, haunt many, but on the other hand inspire as well. Like, it inspired me a lot. The second character is Tate Walker, a very promising young man who, unlike others of his age, is very mature, talented, hardworking and humble. The next character is Chase Andrews. Now, Chase Andrews is the heartthrob of the town, like a dream groom for every girl. And Chase Andrews' murder is what shakes the whole place up. Now, my favorite character from the book is Jumpin. Jumpin is a black man who tries to build a life for himself and his wife in a place full of white people in the age where slavery was just banned. And despite of what people say, Jumpin sees Kaya as a human being and helps her out in most perilous times of her life. He's like a fatherly figure to Kaya. Talking about the plot, the frame of the story is rather simple and primitive, if I say so. It's something that we have already read or heard somewhere before. A murder in town takes place of a very well-known man, and before the investigation starts, people of the town, they already blame a lonely girl living in the marsh all by herself as the culprit. But to follow the law and leave no stones unturned, legal proceeding takes place by the court, and yeah, that's the story. Okay, so now talking about my opinions about the book. The one thing for me which made the book really unique was its closeness to nature. I mean, the book teaches you that nature is the greatest teacher, and it has its own way to take you ahead and give you life lessons. The second thing that I really liked about the book was how the characters were progressed. I mean, you see, in some books you just connect with the characters, but in some books you get really empathetic towards them. This is what is going to happen in this book. Like, you're going to feel everything that Kaya feels. So the progression of the characters is really nice. But now there are 2 things which I personally did not like. For example, being a crime genre book, there was no particular execution of crime. I mean, more than 90% of the book was about the life of Kaya and not about how the murder took place, or more of the crime research, how the things are investigated, how each and every page unfolds and new victims or pieces come to life. And the second thing is, 85% of the book had a certain pace to it. Like, apart from the climax, everything had a certain pace to it, but the ending was very quick. It was like very quick. It's just tick, tick, tick. They just tick mark everything, and we have to complete this, complete that, complete this, and they just ended the ending. So it does not give you a proper time to register the ending. All in all, I would suggest you people that do give this book a try, because it had a unique taste of its own, different texture to its own, like flavors to ice creams. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this review. If you did, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. You know where the comment section is, it's down there. Also follow me on Instagram to play amazing quizzes, know more about books, literature, characters, everything Palm in general. And I'll add the buy link to this book down there in the description box. Do give it a try, and I'll see you later.